Well, we're about to start day 25 on the road from Border Village Roadhouse here with True Blue Rui. The guys are ready. We'll try and do half of the distance today to Nullarbor Roadhouse. See how we go. It is a headwind though, so it could be a tough day. Wataru. Hey! Good to see you, Wataru.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, you've done well.
Yeah, what time did you start today?
9 o'clock, I think.
9 o'clock. Oh, okay.
Yeah, what time did you start?
7.
7, and you've
yeah,
come 44, nearly 45 kilometres so far.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, 45 kilometers.
That's fantastic. That's
Yeah.
over a marathon.
Yeah.
How many days since Perth?
I started 10th August.
Oh, okay.
Maybe 3 weeks.
Yep.
2
So
weeks. Yeah.
just one day before us.
Exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you've done very, very well.
Today I found some dingo across the road.
Okay.
Yeah, many times. Yeah. Maybe you can see that. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
It's nice.
Where is your support car?
It's far away. He's waiting for me every 20 kilometers. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that's very cool. I'll just pull this down here. You've got North America and South America completed. You've run the whole distance.
Oh yeah.
And you're starting in Perth there and going all the way to Sydney.
Yeah.
Alright, there goes Wataru. He's off and running again. See you later. Okay, this is Wataru's support crew. Hello. Wataru's coming.
Yes.
Okay.
I saw.
Lunch under the tarp on the side of the road, 60 kilometres from Border Village. And what was for lunch, guys?
Same as always, wraps.
This is our bush camp for the night here. We haven't set up our tents yet because it was raining, but we've had dinner. We're just about all ready and packed up for day 26. Making our way out of the bush again. morning of day 27 at Nullarbor Roadhouse. We're just about to get up and get going. Well, here goes Annette and Milroy on their joy flight. So how's the wind for today, guys? What's the latest? Northwesterly. I don't think it feels northwesterly at the moment. It feels more northerly or just north. Yeah. And which direction are we going? East, maybe northeasterly. So it won't be helping us as we'd hoped. Okay, the tracker's on, Strava's on, the lights are on. We're ready to do this. 96 kilometres to Yalada. So this is Annette and Milroy, and they've been very generous. They just gave us some chocolates, and we met them at the Nullarbor Roadhouse, and they've stopped to say hello to us on the road, and it's just been fantastic to meet them and hear their story. So Annette's a cancer survivor for over 18 years now, and so that's inspirational, and it's just lovely to meet you guys.
And we are originally from Sri Lanka, 50 years in Australia, and this is our home now.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And living in Sydney.
Yeah.
And they've promised to give Tom and I a meal when we get there.
When you have done it.
Probably about 34 k's from Nullarbor Roadhouse. This is a bit more hilly, and we've got some trees. So Nullarbor is definitely finished. Had some rolling hills in the last 30 or so kilometres, some long slow climbs, 2 or 3 kilometres long, and now we've got another little downhill. And Yalata after 91 kilometres. Okay, on the road from Yalata after a fairly loud night's sleep there. There was an incredibly loud and short thunderstorm, and also a lot of loud trucks going past throughout the night and early morning. But we've only got about 52 kilometres to ride today to Nundru, and feels like we've got a bit of a tailwind as well, so that'll help. Oh, we just had Hardy from Iraq stop and give us a bottle of water each and some little biscuits. That was very nice of him. Didn't get the video of him, unfortunately. He left too quick. Nundru Roadhouse. We're all set and ready to leave on day 29 from the Nundru Roadhouse and Caravan Park. Had a not very relaxing sleep last night because people over there had their generator running all night, and also it's quite close to the road and loud trucks. This place is very environmentally friendly. They hardly use any cleaning products or water. Alright, Tom's rocking the yellow jersey today. Looking good, Tom.
Thanks.
Worked out why this is wombat country. There's so many bushes for them to hide behind, they can wait and stalk their prey. Alright, just going pretty well today. We've had first morning tea at just after 10 o'clock. We've done about 35 k's. I think we'll do about 20 more and have proper recess, and then hopefully get to Penong by lunchtime. You ready, you blokes?
Yep.
Good. And away we go. Time for our sit-down recess break. About 23 kilometres left to Penong. Getting a bit busy as we approach Penong. G'day Ned. Oh, not saying much. And here we are at the Comet Cafe. Well done guys, we made it.
Yep.
Any words from you guys today?
No. No.
Okay. We've got free spring water. And unfortunately Tom's left his bike in the no standing zone. Tom was talking with a couple, Melissa and Tony, as we came in, and they kindly paid for our lunch for us. So we're just enjoying some lovely hamburgers. This is the Penong Windmill Museum. With lots of interesting windmill designs on display in one place. And this is it, Australia's biggest windmill. Here we all are set up in the Penong Caravan Park for the night. We're just about ready to go in front of the camp kitchen here in the Penong Caravan Park. For day number 30, and riding to Sajjuna.
How's it going? Normally I'd be running, but
Good.
right now I'm walking.
I'm Andrew, good to meet you.
Andrew? My name is Andrea, nice to meet you.
Lovely.
Yeah, lovely. Hi.
Tom.
Tom, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you guys from? This is my 263rd day of being on the road. Yeah,
Wow.
going all around the world. Yeah, it's been an incredible journey. Yeah.
And where do you come from? What country are you from?
I'm from Switzerland.
Wow.
I'm here in Australia. I started my journey in Brisbane.
Yep.
Ran down to Sydney, then Melbourne, Adelaide, Port Augusta, and now all the way west. Yes, it's a great journey.
There goes Andrea. And a little bit of drizzle after our second morning tea. It's just cooled things down a bit for us. It's time to get moving again. Well, this is exciting to be in Sajjuna. First reasonably large town we've seen since Norseman. Even though Penong was a nice little town, it's good to be here where we've got quite a lot of facilities. It's been a long time since we've done some laundry. Last time we were doing it, we were fighting Jane for the washer, but this time we had the washer to ourselves. And I had to buy 36 new pegs, and even now we've run out of pegs. So Nathan's found some bits of pegs on the ground here, a couple of springs, and he's putting them back together. That'll give us 2 more, the doubling up, and hopefully we can get our laundry dry in between these little intermittent showers. Oh, just packing up here on day 32. Oh, Nathan's got a wet mattress. Okay, Tom, what stood out for you as we've crossed the Nullarbor now in Sajjuna?
The highlights crossing the Nullarbor, I think, were Motel Room 11 at Nullarbor.
What was so good about that?
Oh, it's just a fascinating place.
Okay.
Then the Nullarbor itself, the Nullarbor Plain, was pretty good, even though it was quite short. Only 18 kilometres touched the road. And then the Nullarbor Roadhouse also was pretty good.
All of the roadhouses sort of became a bit of a blur. They're all different in small ways, but the Mundrabilla Roadhouse I think was maybe my favourite. And the big takeaway is that I was pretty underwhelmed with how flat and how treeless the Nullarbor really is.
The random acts of kindness we've received from strangers across the Nullarbor has been what's really blessed me so far with this trip. And often unexpected, or always unexpected. I'm thinking of people like Neville and Lorne, who were so generous to us at Eucla, and also Annette and Milroy, who we met at the Nullarbor Roadhouse, and then they stopped again on the road and gave us some chocolate. And also thinking of Melissa, who bought our meals for us when we arrived here. When we arrived at Penong at the Comet Cafe. It was just totally unexpected, but a real blessing. And also Hardy, who stopped on the side of the road. He was a former refugee from Iraq and now runs a couple of successful businesses here in Australia. But he just gave us a bottle of water each and some biscuits. And it was just such a great thing to have those little acts of kindness that have really touched us as we've gone.